जस्सी जैसी कोई नहीं, वैसे ही मोना सिंह जैसी कोई नहीं, ये मैं डंके की चोट पे कह सकता हूँ. वी हैव विद अस द वेरी टैलेंटेड मोना सिंह. मैम थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ग्रेसिंग जी संवाद रियल हीरो अवार्ड्स. थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
Thank you for having me here. It's an absolute honor to be winning the, Clutter Breaker Award.
Yeah.
And here's to clearing all the noise and amplifying what really matters.
Right, right.
Yeah.
How do you look upon to this concept where actually we are culminating, bringing the fusion of real and real heroes for their contribution towards society, arts and entertainment we know, but जो real heroes उनको भी award करना. How do you look upon to this?
I really feel this is the need of the hour. It is so important to even celebrate our unsung heroes, for their significant contributions. बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I think everything happening under one roof for real and real makes a lot of sense to me.
अच्छा, congratulations, major congratulations, because Happy Patel तो हम जानते हैं, Border 2, the way you have charmed the screen, आपको और सनी सर कितनी organic chemistry देखने मिली है, heartfelt chemistry, emotion, रोए हैं public. How do you look upon to this whole response?
I am absolutely loving it, and to be working with Sunny sir, जिनको हम देखते आ रहे हैं, doing so well, and to be working with him was a dream come true.
Right.
Border 2 हमने स्कूल में देखी थी,
Border
अब Border
one,
1 स्कूल में देखी थी, and to be a part of Border 2 was absolute joy.
Right.
My dad fought the 71 war, and my dad stepped on a mine exactly shown in the movie. He doesn't have a foot, so yes. So for me, it was a tribute and ode to my father. Yes.
Salute to uncle. अरे एक सवाल बनता है, like you have been won with the Clutter Breaker Award. ये हमने देखा आपकी जर्नी में, from managing TV, then OTT films. आप कहीं रुके नहीं, and we don't want you to stop also. But to do that thing, to take that leap, it takes a courage. Tell us about that, because time लगा, but the way you have done it, it's something else. आप बताएं.
Like you said, time laga, and एक ही चीज़ है जो ये इंडस्ट्री सिखाती है, is a lot of patience. You need to have faith, you need to be disciplined and have a lot of patience, because you're obviously not cut out for clutter, and to stand out, you need to wait it out. Good things are worth the wait.
Last thing, ma'am, what are your upcoming projects? Want केड़े फिल्म आएगी इस साल? You have seen Koram, it's coming, right?
Kora 2 is coming out on Netflix on 11th February. उधर बाद आएगी सुबेदार, a movie with Anil Kapoor sir. उधर बाद धीरे धीरे हौले हौले, as I get to know about the releases, I'll share.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Wish you all the best.